Hi guys, welcome to Stack and Heap. We have started this channel to provide support to those who interested to be a developer or interested in robotics or any other hardware and software domains. Okay, if you like this channel, please share, subscribe our channel and share our videos if you like it. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about how a Bluetooth module is connected with a Arduino. Okay guys, look, we can see how a Bluetooth module is connecting. In a Bluetooth module, it has generally 6 pins, generally one VCC, ground, then transmitter and receiver, and the enable and status pin. Generally we only use 4 pins, VCC, ground and TX and RX, means transmitter and receiver pins. Okay, now we are going to see how it is coding. Now we open the Arduino IDE. It is opening. You can see. Okay, I have already saved a file named Bluetooth. Now I am started coding. Constant integer LED pin 5 3 constant integer LED pin 6 4. Okay, then next constant integer LED pin 7 11 constant integer LED pin 8. That means we assume or defined 4 digital pins as integers. Then we are providing a word setup. Here we are going to set all the LED pins as outputs and its initial stage as low. Pin mode LED pin mode LED pin 5 output pin mode LED pin 6 output pin mode LED pin 7 as output and the next LED pin is also going to pin as output, define as output. digital write. LED pin 5 was low. Okay, you can notice an error in digital write. Is it? Okay, next digital write. LED pin 7, low. Okay, next digital write. Right, LED pin 8, low. Serial dot begin. Serial dot println. println. Now we are going to set up OR loop. Here, if anything available in serial, we can on and off these LED pins, right? So we are going to provide if serial dot available if serial dot available character data equal to serial dot read means the available data from serial monitor or in serial transmission is shared in character color data. Then we are going to switch data. Okay, means any value stored in the data is going to be switched. The value stored in data is what is in serially available. Okay. case F. Digital write LED pin. Break the statement. In case B means the value B is sent from the Bluetooth module. If the value C is sent from the Bluetooth module, value F is sent from the Bluetooth module, okay, then LED pin 5 high. If value B is sent from LED 6 from Bluetooth, means from Android smartphone, then LED pin 6 is high. Then if the value of 7 L is transferred from means shared from Bluetooth, then digital write LED pin dot 7 is high. Then bracket class 6. Digital write LED pin 8 as high. Then we set a default value, default break. Okay. Then serial.println data. Okay, we are compiling the sketch. Serial.println data, then compiling. Okay, now we are going to the connection. We are connecting each and every LED pin in the breadboard. We are going to provide the common ground for every LED, and we are going to provide each of the LED, each of the positive lines, positive connections. LED pin 5 to 1 LED and 16 LED, 17 LED. That wise every time we are doing any projects or experiments with the LED pin, we should always provide a resistance with each of the LED pins positive terminal, because else it may get overheated or thermal run away. We can place power LEDs without external resistance, but here it is needed. Okay guys, we are connecting. Okay, we provided 4 resistance to 4 LEDs. Okay, now we are going to connect the each digital LED to digital pins, and we are going to connect to the blue. We are going to connect to the Bluetooth module. After that, we are going to connect each of the LED pins or each of the LEDs to concerned digital pins we are assumed. Okay, I am connecting the Bluetooth module. Okay, now we are going to upload the program, right? Okay, now I am going to open the application. Okay, If the LED in the Bluetooth module is blinking, that means that is not connected with any other or paired with any other Bluetooth devices, means Bluetooth connections. So when my phone is connected with that Bluetooth module, the LED blinking will be stopped. Okay, you can see each and every LEDs are turn on. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.